So high ticket affiliate marketing means promoting high ticket affiliate marketing products. And why do I like to promote those kind of products? Because we can make more commissions instead of like just promoting regular products in which we can make. So let me screen. In which we can make screen share is pause. Okay, cool. So in which we can make, for example, $10, $20, or $50. Those are like regular affiliate marketing products. But if we promote high ticket products, we can make $500, $800, $1,000 of commissions. That is basically that is why I like to promote high ticket products. And I'm going to show you some of my results. So let me go here. I'm going to show you. So this is my affiliate dashboard for this product, Freedom Accelerator. And check this out. I have right now $875 in unpaid earnings. And if I go to payouts, I have been making commissions every single month by promoting these products. Now, I'm going to share with you the strategy that I learned from basically this training, which is Freedom Accelerator. Let me show you my screen. So basically I bought this high ticket product and I learned from these lessons how to make commissions with high ticket affiliate marketing. So let me go here because I want to show you. So your screen share is pause. Let's go. So let's see if I can set up this well, because I want to draw, because when I draw in the screen it's like more difficult. So let me check our resume share here. So I don't know why some share. Resume. So basically I don't know why it doesn't allow me to put the screen. So if I can't do this, we're going to go to the old-fashioned way, writing the screen with this drop on my screen. Easy, easy. So I'm going to try another thing. So I'm going to share a screen. Okay, share screen. Unable to connect AirPlay. Okay, I'm going to explain to you guys driving the screen because I don't know exactly what happens with with the airplay. So check this out. So basically, so what I'm doing is that I have chosen a main core offer. So basically my main core offer is a high ticket affiliate marketing product. And then I chose supporting offers to help people to go from a point A, which is a point of massive pain, to a point B, which is their goal. So, and this is my link, and if someone buys through this link, I can make a commission. So I'm promoting here a high ticket product, but instead of driving traffic to this link, I built a capture page to collect an email. And why is this so important? Because having the email allowed me to promote multiple affiliate products. And here I have the traffic part of the affiliate marketing business. And we can drive traffic by two ways. So we have two ways. We can pay for ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok, Instagram, or we can create content, doing live videos like this one, or doing long form videos on YouTube, or creating TikTok reels, Facebook reels, Instagram reels, TikTok, all that good stuff. So those are the two ways on how we can drive traffic to our own funnel: creating content, like creating videos, recording lives like this one, or we can write as well blogs. But if you are going to write a blog, if you're going to create your own blog to drive traffic, it's going to take you more time. When you compare this to like just creating YouTube videos, it's better to create YouTube videos, because writing a blog, it takes like a lot of time and more work and hard effort to rank on Google than just creating videos. But if you can do it, that's okay, that's fine. You can create your own blog. But basically, those are the two ways on how to get traffic to this funnel. And I'm driving traffic to a simple page, I'm capturing emails, and then I redirect those people to my affiliate offer. And if those people buy from me, buy from this link, I can make a commission. And this is like the simple way. So just having like these pages before sending people to my offer. Okay, but not all the people buy at the first interaction. That is why I have built a nurturing sequence. So basically, these are emails, and when someone subscribes to my capture page, they will start receiving all these emails. This is a nurturing sequence, and inside of the emails, I have put my affiliate link. And some of the emails I'm promoting supporting offers, and some of the emails I'm promoting my main core offer. And in other emails, I don't have any links, only valuable information. And basically, that is how I'm promoting different products with affiliate marketing. And so, people in all my email list is going to start receiving all these emails in this sequence. For example, I have a free training inside of the email number 1, inside of the email number 2, more trainings, inside of the email number 3 and 4. These are free trainings, and then I start to promote, for example, links for my YouTube channel, then the link for my main core offer, which is the 72-hour freedom challenge, and then I promote a supporting offer, which is a software, and so on and so forth. I have built this system, this entire ecosystem of products that allows me to promote multiple products, because I'm collecting leads, I'm collecting emails. So let me show you here. So this is my get response account, and if I go here, I have been collecting emails for like a lot of things that I have been promoting throughout the years, because I have been doing these affiliate marketing things since 2017. As you can see, I have today one new contact ad. So if I scroll down, in January 24, I have 85 emails, new contacts added to my GetResponse account, and in February I only have 17 to this day, which is February 12th. February 12th of 2024. I have 17 contacts, new contacts added to my GetResponse account. And I have seen that the more emails I collect, the more commissions I'm making, but it takes time to start getting these results, guys. It's simple to understand the business model, that you can promote a product, and if someone buys through your affiliate link, you can make a commission. But in order to do that, it's important to build this entire funnel to start collecting your own leads, and you can grow your own personal brand, because once people know, like, and trust you, you can promote almost any product that you want. That is why it's important to promote high quality products. And as you are building your own personal brand, so people are going to buy from you. So, and that is what I have seen. So people are buying from me. So this commission, so people are buying from me. And check this out. And I bought the course, I bought the training. So this has good information on how to scale an affiliate marketing business. So it has a lot of information. I need to work on phase number 3. So what I'm doing right now is phase number 2, how to use YouTube as an automated traffic machine. And this knowledge basically it helped me to grow my YouTube channel and to get to 1,000 subscribers. And this is one of the most powerful lessons that we can learn as an affiliate marketer or any online business, how to grow your own YouTube channel. And I need to work more on phase number 3, how to increase my conversions. So basically Jonathan explains in phase number 3 that we can create our own bonus offer. And so for example, so I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge. The price is $9. I can create, for example, a free course on how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube with the strategy that I'm using to grow my own YouTube channels, something like that. And if you buy from me, I'm going to send that free training to all the people who buy from me the 72-hour freedom challenge, which is not expensive, by the way. It's only $9, right? But I need to work more on phase number 3, and I'm not even in phase number 4, how to automate and scale, how to build my own team, so my team can run my whole YouTube channel or my whole social media channels, TikTok, Instagram. So this is really powerful, how to build a team. Check this out, how to create a system your team can follow, giving your team down for your templates. And then Jonathan Montoya has like a vacation test. And so basically we can take this vacation once we have built. So this is why affiliate marketing is powerful, because once we have built the system that is working 24/7, we have the main core offer, the supporting offers, we have the funnel, we have all the emails, the nurturing sequence. And once we know that this system is making us money, it's making us commissions, we can hire a team and just like create a raw video on YouTube. So the team can, like, for example, edit that video and like cut some of the scenes and put that scenes of that YouTube video on, for example, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. And basically that is when this business model, it can become passive income. But I don't know if it can become 100% passive, because we need to like check, right? So there is something of work. So there's going to be time that we need to like checking the emails are working, the funnel is working, right? But like not doing like all the things, like creating YouTube videos, creating the thumbnails, creating the nurturing sequence, go to the marketplaces and finding more supporting offers. Like, it's really interesting, guys. I have been doing this thing. I have succeeded, and also I have made some mistakes, because when I started I didn't collect any leads, and that was super awful for me, right? But basically we can make commissions by promoting other people's products, but you need to know that it takes time, it takes hard work, it takes effort to build this system. So some people say that it's easy, and I don't think that this is easy, because you need to put in the work every single day. And other people say that it's free. I don't think that it's free as well, because you need to use your time, and your time is the most valuable thing that you have. But what I have seen is that this is like a snowball effect. So when I started, so check this out, when I started in 2017, I was like uploading one video per day. And after 1 year, I got here like 300 or 400 bucks. That's when I realized that it takes time to start getting these commissions. And if you can stay like long enough creating content every single day, YouTube is going to share your content, and you're going to reach more people. And some of the people are going to resonate with your own story. Those people are going to put the information on your funnel. They will go to your entire nurturing sequence, and they will buy some of the products, because we are promoting high quality products. Basically, we are helping people by just giving them the information that we have, how to build this system, how to utilize the softwares, right? So basically, that is how I'm making commissions with high ticket affiliate marketing. So for the next video, I'm going to check why this doesn't work, because it was working for me. Because like writing the screen is like more difficult than just like using this pencil and writing the iPad. But that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, give me a thumbs